I knew he'd be late. Croby, you sly fucking genius. And just because you're a judge doesn't mean you're not a dick. Let me call this dickhead. Jesus, what the fuck do you want, Jeff? Are you still fucking home? Or you're gonna be so late. Fuck are you talking about? It's like 8:30 on a fucking Tuesday. How can I be late at 8:30 on a fucking Tuesday? No, there's no way to be late at 8:30 on a fucking Tuesday. Unless it's Thursday, you piece of shit. I hope you don't mind if I go out speak to the Kings. Is that fucking Fastbender? I'm on my way. Hello, beautiful.